So this is the recap for live stream 276, I believe. We can see we've had a pretty small losing day, pretty close to break even. It doesn't completely tell the story of the day. So today I made quite a lot of trades. Wow, it looks like we're going to get to the 97s, 07s and the 24s. So we made quite a few trades. We've continued to trade the 15-second chart, and that of course results in taking quite a bit of trades. I did have some difficulties when the market showed a tremendous amount of volatility, like over here where we saw prices move from the 299s all the way up to the 369s within one 15-second candle. These sorts of moves caused me a hell of a lot of problems in terms of finding direction, going long then short, accumulating losses through there. There were other opportunities as well. You can see through here the market got a bit choppy, lost quite a bit through there. And over here as well, when the volatility entered the market, quite a lot of volatility, I also had difficulties as well. So had a short on here, got stopped out, was frustrated through here, was taking a lot of trades through here, end up losing quite a lot of them before finally deciding to go with the long. On the other occasion, we can see that we did go long and the price is completely reversed. Thought that might have happened over here, it did not. Continue to the upside, more trades through here, was struggling somewhat. I think one of the longs here hit a target on a portion of the trade, but then came back and hit stop on another portion of the trade. Through here as well, small winners which brought down the average. You can see even more trades through. More trades through this area. We had this 379.50. That was pretty much from the, you can see from the 5-minute chart, we had prices stall at that level, at 379.50. And as we can see here with the executions, quite a lot of trades was taken through there. Also through here as prices sold off, took quite a few executions. More recently, we did take a trade on the 15-second chart as prices got back through the VWAP, and that's a trade that we recently just closed for 121. But we came to the market about 10 a.m. Try to let the volatility calm somewhat. Through here, thought the possibility of prices pulling back and reversing. So pulling back to these highs through here and reversing to the upside. It's pretty aggressive with my stop, so that didn't quite work. I went long, stopped, went long again, stopped, went long again, stopped again, went long again, got stopped out, only for eventually prices to have the breakout that I was looking for. So it was not quite my way. Decided to take this short here. This was a bad short. It was a bit of a FOMO short. Thought prices would go down to this moving average, this 200 period. Prices did not. It wasn't even a part of my strategy, but I decided to go short. Prices rallied almost immediately and eventually closed that position there for a loss. Over here went long. Wanted to see price head higher as prices came back. I believe I was stopped out. Yep, I was stopped out for a small loss there. Went long. Closed the position. Thought I'd be stopped out. Did not. Went long again. And so on. So it was a story of the day. Taking longs and them not working. Got a little bit frustrated. Over on the trade performance page, we can see here. We lost 3 on long trades. We were successful, it seems. Most of our gains were on long trades. On short trades, however, that was where we struggled somewhat today. Profit factor 1.36. We got 68 there, so we're just below 1. because we've had a losing day. Accuracy is around 83%. But what we've seen here is the average win to average loss, not great at 0.2. Largest win to largest loss, that's pretty good. But that's as a result of being a bit of a drawdown, so decide to hold the trade for longer. And that's the reason why this trade is bigger than the average losing trade. Time in the market, about 1 minute. And that's due to the nature of using the 15-second chart. So it's pretty aggressive scalping here. So overall, I was fortunate to have a close to break-even day, small losing day. I will not be able to trade tomorrow due to scheduling and my job. So I'll be looking to come back to trade on Thursday. So that's pretty much it for now. Thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.